Go.
Oh.
Yeah, Chico.
Yeah.
Is it treasure? At the beach? I'm too lazy to go looking for the treasure. Let's just wait for. Let's just have a good day at the beach.
Oh.
Just like 5 seconds
Oh.
video.
Oh. Hey, Foxy. Yeah, Mott. What are we gonna do today? Mott, I don't really know, Mott. Okay. I just want to chillax here and get a tan. We're under the shade. You can still get a tan, Mott.
Oh, someone drowning? And they're fine.
What? Hey, lifeguard!
What do you want?
Someone's drowning over there. Are you gonna do something?
Nah, they're fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you
Now
sure?
shut up and let me go back to sleep.
You're a lifeguard. You're supposed to help people.
What?
You're a lifeguard. You're supposed to help people.
What were we talking about again?
Oh my gosh.
What do you want?
Did you not see that person drowning? I literally had to save her.
Wow, you're a good lifeguard. Now get the heck out of my way.
Oh, Mott. Guys, I smell treasure.
Treasure? Where?
Since I'm a fox, Mott, I think there's treasure in the seas.
Oh, heck no. You think I'm a whale or something?
Yeah, Mott. Well, you kind of
Get out of my sight!
Oh, okay.
What do you want? What?
What
the heck are you saying?
Ma!
All I hear is
Shut up.
Oh my God! Chill! Hey guys, I'm gonna go to the water, okay? All right, just go.
don't go. You're gonna drown.
It's a bunch of people. Bathing that water is very nice. Look, chill. Very relaxing. Man, look at all that water. Don't drown. I'm not gonna drown. I'm not gonna drown.
You're gonna drown.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna drown.
No, I'm not.
You're a crocodile.
I'm not gonna drown.
Yeah, you're gonna die then. Bye.
Mama!